We do now the cleaning of the Duomix Connect. My name is Ralf Jörg from m-tec. I'm Technical Application Specialist. For the cleaning, we have some tools. The tools are here. Water for cleaning. This we need. Adapter for the G-car for the cleaning, for the water, and the ball for the hose. We open the hose on the pumping end piece, but we have to check there is no pressure below the hose. We open, we put the ball in, cleaning ball, connected to the water. Open the water and the ball comes out. Cleaning ball, we do 2 times. The tools where it's not needed for cleaning or it's finished, I put immediately back so I don't lose it. Connect the cleaning gun to the cleaning outlet. Disconnect the pump. Put the bucket underneath. Open. Wash it out. Probe. Pumping shaft, it's clean. Pumping shaft back. Lock it, and then we put water here in. So in the end, we let run the pump to clean the starter rotor with clear water. Disconnect the mixing chamber, the mixing shaft. Wash it out with water as well. We clean inside here. This we cover, and then we wash it out with water as well. When we finish, we put it out. If there is any material in here, you see with a steel brush, clean it. Water here to clean out. After washing, this is wet, I dry it. It has to be dry. Mixing chamber. Lock it, push the green button, and only pumping the water, pumping out the clear water to clean the starter rotor. The cleaning is finished now. The machine is ready for the next use now.